Burp Suite is a GUI-based collection of tools geared toward web application security testing. Now, actually, it is one of the best known as powerful proxy tool. And there is a free community edition mainly contains the tools used in manual testing. So from here, type Burp Suite. You can find it here, the community edition, as you can see. Okay. And here you need to accept the conditions and click on next and start the Burp Suite. Okay. Now it is up, and as you can see, it is capturing. By the way, you can click on the proxy. You can see that intercept is on currently, so I can turn it off. Okay. But we want to go to the option from here, and here you can see that we have an interface, the localhost on port 8080. Now go to the browser from here. Again, let's click on the proxy, the intercept. Let's keep it as on. Now, if I go to google.com, for example, you can see that we didn't capture anything. Now, why is that? Because in the browser itself, we didn't edit the proxy settings. So we are not opening as a proxy to capture the traffic. Now, how to do such a thing? From here, from the tools to the preferences, scroll down until you see the network setting, click on the settings, and here you can see or use system or manual. Actually, we want to use the manual proxy configuration. Now it will be, as we saw, .0.0.1 and on port 8080. And click on also use this, and we are ready. Click on OK. Now, if I refresh this, click on advanced, you can see that we are having a problem with the certificate. Now, why is that? Because this is something externally, not internally. So if I am opening a website inside the system, it will work. It's okay. But because we are using or running, as you can see, the browser detects that there are some man in the middle attack. So that's why we are seeing, because we are intercepting. So if I refresh this, it will do again the same thing. Now, how to solve this issue? Actually, let's go to the Burp Suite. From the option here, you can see that we can import to export CA certificate. So let's regenerate. As you can see, click on yes. Then in the browser itself, go to the HTTP Burp, press enter. We are inside it. Here, the CA certificate, download it. Now, let's open it. So here you can see, here are the details of it. Now, in the browser itself, now from the privacy and security, scroll down until you see view certificates. From the authorities, import and choose the certificates. And yes, you can see that trust this CA to identify website and click OK. Now, if I go to Google this time, you can see that it is working correctly. If I return back here to the proxy or intercept, click the intercept to be on. Again, let's put here anything. For example, Google. You can see that it is still bending. And here you can see that we are seeing the traffic this time. So you need to forward it, to keep forwarded to see what is going on, as you can see. And finally, it is working, as you can see. So if I click on the intercept is off like this, it will work normally without any problem. Okay. Now, actually, the Burp Suite is a very huge topic. We can't cover it, all of its aspects, but don't worry, we will use it in practice once we reach the practical labs section.